o'clock in the morning.
4:05, yeah.
4:05. I've had a brilliant idea. Should we go to Disneyland Paris?
I've got nothing better to do.
All right, let's go. Let's go. And as always, I'm inviting you to join me. Shall you? And just like that, we are through security, and it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Got another hour to on the train to Paris. So we're leaving from St. Pancras International. And again, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. This was my bright idea. I take all the credit for this. 5 o'clock in the morning is apparently a good time for alcohol.
It's gone 5 o'clock. What are you worried about?
5:02.
Exactly. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I was expecting a pop, but never mind.
That was very anticlimactic.
I was expecting a. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy holidays.
Yes.
Sit rep, we're now in Paris, about to get on the underground to go to Disney. Pippa's gone in the shop to get something, I don't know what, doesn't matter. Eurostar's actually about 10 minutes getting in late. Don't really know why, but it really slowed down for some reason. Anyway, we are in Paris, so we're nearly there. We're nearly to Disneyland. So, update, we're now in Disneyland Paris.
Yay!
With a piping hot caffeinated beverage, which is much needed, and some sort of breakfast
It's brunch.
thing.
It's brunch.
I can't remember. Hello, by the way.
Oh, hello. Yeah, bacon, egg, cheese. I don't know what type of bread it was, but
It's a breakfast thing.
yeah.
It's good. And then we're going to go, check in, dump off the bags.
Check in, dump bags, and then hit the parks, I think.
Excellent. So for those that don't know, once you've got your pass, you can get free coffee. Hopefully.
1 credit, that's good. Coffees.
I think you had to choose it first.
No, so it's put 1 credit on, see?
Oh, it has, okay.
I think it's got it. Just go that one. Confirm. There we go.
Okay. We'll be 2 coffees into the day. And it's what, 12 o'clock? 11
These
o'clock?
these ones are tiny though.
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
okay. Like you need 2.5 of these to be an actual cup of coffee.
And how many credits do you think you get a day?
It used to be 4.
Oh, it used to be 4? I thought it was 2.
No, it used to be 4 credits a day. We'll challenge that
We'll
later.
find out.
We'll pace ourselves. Right?
We'll test it. Classic car alert.
Go for it. Back.
Finally, it's only been
Hang on,
4
March,
months? 5
March,
months?
April, May, June, July, August, September. 6.5, 7, give or take.
That's too long. Far too long.
Mate, we're gonna have to wait longer next time.
Don't say that.
Okay,
that's,
sorry.
that's cruel.
It'll be worth it though, okay? Potentially Disney World, okay? It'll
Okay.
be worth it in the long run.
All right. If you
Patience
say
is
so.
virtue, possess it if you can.
That's recorded on camera now, and that's on the
Excellent.
internet. So now it's a contract.
Okay. Here we go again. There's new posters down here we've got to watch out for as well.
That's an old one.
There's one for the boat ride, you know, down the back.
Oh,
There it is, I see it. It's over this way. We went right past it.
poster pack, I think. So we'll find it. But yeah, because that ride's just been redone.
Mm-hmm.
That's definitely a new poster. I think that's a new poster as well.
like it as well,
The
yeah.
Mark Twain. And then that is Disneyland.
We're back. We made it.
Finally. Oh,
Actually, let's stop in auto service because they do have more mountain things. It's one of those things that's got to be done when you're at DLP, isn't it?
well, we're celebrating.
I know we are.
We're celebrating things.
Thank you.
Need to go and find a good spot to go and have them.
We will go sit down.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Halloween decorations in the end.
I know. I love the Day of the Dead stuff.
Yes.
I always think that's really cool.
The cocoa always does look.
It looks great in here though. It's so nice.
Well, it looks good all year round, but it looks amazing during Halloween.
And when you get it at night, when it's all lit up, it looks brilliant.
Now, let's just see what the big thunder's up to. What do you think?
I would do it for 40.
Come on. That could be an exaggeration. Here, we tried to get the yellow candy plus, but we couldn't get it anywhere. It was. I'm 95% certain it was sold out. That was the issue.
I don't think they had it. Point blank had it.
But we got it now, so we're going to taste test it. Ooh. There we go. Oh, blimey. Okay.
Is it solid?
Fairly. I'm assuming it's lemony.
Right. Let's try that.
3, 2, 1.
I don't taste any lemon in that. Oh, maybe.
Yeah, it comes later. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lemony aftertaste. Before that, it's just mostly sugar.
You're complaining?
All right, fair.
I'll guide you. There you go. It was about 35 minutes of
I would say that's a bit of a faux pas on Disney's part. You're never supposed to see construction from the guest side of the barracks. You're not supposed to see that.
I know.
So
This way, you see just a deep He has to find the gap through the trees. There it is.
Focus.
Focus.
Lots of cones. There were cones.
No, I can't see any major exterior changes.
Though.
I know.
Ride that ride. I know.
Next time. We might have to wait a while though.
I don't know how long it's down for. Now I'm home. Where it all began, the reason I have a YouTube channel is all because of the movie of that ride. Right.
Down to 15 minutes, dude.
Zoom?
Soon. Soon.
Where?
We'll be eating there soon.
Oh, soon! I thought you said Zoom, so I'm like...
C'est un bien beau trésor, en effet. N'est-il pas vrai, mon petit troubadour à plume? They got me on Joe. Yo, ho, yo, ho, a father suffering. Steady, chair, that telephone, and your talent to get up. Écoutez-moi, vous autres. Restez bien assis.
It wouldn't be Disney without ducks.
No.
All the ducks.
Tiens, papa. Les scanners détectent plus de problèmes dans le secteur 9. Aucun doute, c'est l'œuvre de cet abominable criminel, l'ennemi juré de l'Alliance sidérale, l'infâme empereur Zurg. Son armée de robots est en train de voler les générateurs à cristaux fusion.
Last time, weren't they?
Well, it's open. We've got a reservation.
I need to find the reservation number real quick.
Let's get in there.
I don't know what's on the menu.
Food. Right, I'm not actually sure what's in here. There's something that looks like a Cornish pasty, but probably isn't.
Samosa.
Perfect. Mickey-shaped potatoes, naan bread, pasta, couscous, rice. Basically, it's all carbohydrates. You've already almost
I've already scoffed
eaten.
the naan bread. Literally,
Excellent.
when I got there, the guy brought out a fresh chunk of the lamb.
It was all gone by the time I got in there, so I need to go back and get some.
No.
I'll go back.
Okay. Yeah, falafel salad and the sauteed peppers.
Excellent. Well, this is round one.
2 more to go.
Okay, so we've had a nap. Recovered.
A little
A
bit.
little bit, a tiny bit.
Enough to get us through fireworks, so we're okay.
So it's back into the park, fireworks, and then sleep.
Yes.
Okay. That's fine. We have a plan, which I think is what is better than most people do.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Something that I've noticed other vloggers talking about, and
What's
you can
that?
see it now, is that for some reason in Paris only, lights make cameras go weird.
I've never been to the others, but yes, lights in Paris do make the cameras go weird.
Apparently it is a Paris thing. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. So as you're watching this, you'll notice there's a lot of smoke around the castle and that there's actually no fireworks going on. We later found out that's because a rogue firework had started a fire, and that's why there's more smoke than usual, and why they then stopped releasing any more fireworks. So unfortunately, the rest of the show was simply just lasers, lights, and the projections. Back at the hotel, hot chocolate before bed,
Cheers.
which is much needed. Weird technical issues that happened during the fireworks, but other than that, possibly the luckiest day that we've ever had here with queue lines, numbers, free coffee.
Everything, dude.
Everything's gone really, really well.
There's always tomorrow.
There is always tomorrow, so let's hope that our good luck continues. So with that said, that's the end of day one. The vlog is over. Cheers.